Hello and welcome to another episode in the TRC How-To series. I am Brandon Shaves, and today we will be discussing how to load blades into a variety of safety razors. And I do have double edge and single edge today. So we're going to start with a traditional two-piece razor. This is the Mercury 34C. And what do I mean by two-piece? So we got one piece, we got two pieces. So you just loosen the bottom here and the top comes out. So to load this, and I just happen to have a Gillette silver blue blade here. So you just take the top cap here, drop your blade on, get here where you can see it, and just like that. So when it's on, I just hold it by the sides here and we'll put it right back into the razor and tighten it down. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, and it's ready to shave with. All right, so we've done that one. Now I'll go to a traditional three-piece razor. And for this one, this is the Moolah R41, which is a scalloped cap double edge razor. So you just take the handle off, and then you've got a base plate and a top cap. And that's why this is called a three-piece razor versus the two-piece. And so, top cap, basically just like in the previous one, just set it right on top. And then I always like to hold the outside here to keep the blade stable. So from here, you just set that on top of the cap. Put your handle back in, and bingo, you're ready for a super close shave with this one. All right, let me remove this blade, and we're going to go to a twist to open type now, which is a lot like most of your vintage Gillettes. And here we go. This is a Gillette SuperSpeed flare tip, and you just twist at the bottom, you open up, and your blade goes right there. So here, the same blade, just set it right on the top there, and you can see it loaded in right there, and then just twist the opposite direction, and boom, you're ready to shave. Really, really easy way. You don't have to touch the blade too much. You basically just kind of drop it on and tighten her down, and it's ready to go. All right, and next, I'm just going to do the RazorRock Game Changer, just because it loads a little differently. Instead of it loading into the top cap, it loads into the base plate. Top cap, base plate. So you can see the nubs there, it loads directly onto that. So get the blade again, and it just snaps right onto those posts. Then the top cap goes right on, and reinstall the handle. And there we are, ready to go. Another fantastic razor there. Okay, now we're going to switch gears, and we're going to go to the single edges. Traditional single edge gem here. So it's got just a little tab right there, and you just push down on it and it pops it up. So then you get your gem blade, not your paint scraper blade, but a special gem blade for shaving. And then you just kind of set it in the back here. You can see, or I hope you can see, it's got some nubs back in the back there, and then it's got a little bevel here on the bottom to hold the blade. So you just set it in the back there, and then just pull it forward, and it will sit inside there. And then you just snap the cap. That's simple. ready to shave. All right. Next, we're going to load into my Gem Micromatic open comb. And this one is a twist to open, kind of like the vintage Gillette. So just twist, opens up, beautiful razor, and it loads exactly the same way. You can see it's got the little bevel at the bottom there. So you just, and you know, you can clearly see the nub right there in the middle. So just set it to the back, let go, and then twist it the other way. Ready to shave. Really efficient razor here too. I love this one. And now we're going to go to an Injector razor. This is a Schick. I believe this one is from the 50s. I'm not positive on that, but anyway, this is called the Injector blade. This would be the safest type of blade really to change. So this is called a key, and it's also your blade bank. So I've already got a razor blade in here, but you can see right there, the key goes in there to unlock it. So you push that in, and then right here, you just push this forward. See if I can do this. Push forward, you can see the other blade coming out. And I'm safe up under here, so I'm gonna let it drop. But anyway, you just push, boom, your new blade's in. And when you push it all the way back, it loads up and the next one gets ready to go. So if I were to push this again, it would load another blade in there. So anyway, once you load the blade, you just pull it out and it's ready to shave. So thank you very much for joining me. I hope you've learned something here. If you haven't tried this type of shaving, please try it. I think that you will really enjoy it. Also, a lot of people have used double edges but haven't used single edges. Please try them. They're, you know, they shave a little bit differently, but they're still wonderful shavers, and they're kind of neat. Something just a little bit different. Thank you for joining me, guys, and I'll see you next time here on The Razor Company.